Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialized in the common rail injector, and today I want to share with you some of our products. You can look at this one. This is our valve assembly. Yes, if you're interested about this one, please follow me. Let's check the details. This is our VCI anti-rust bags. Yeah, for our bags, it's really environmental friendly. And let's move on this part. This is the label on the bags. On the first line, you can see this is a Shumatt logos. If you want to print with other logos, yes, contact us. We supply the customized service for you. The brand logo, the label, the package bags, yes, we can supply for you. And this part is the product code F00ZC01305. The application model number is the 0445110497 and 0445110506. On the one side, you can see the QR code. Okay, I will got it. Look at this one. This is the inside parts. This is a transparent bottles, right? For these packages, can be better prevent the hurt, the rust, the liquid during the transportations. Yeah, don't worry about that. And you can open it like this way. In the inside, we also pack it with the oil paper. This kind of oil paper can be better protect the valve assembly. Wow, that's the inside part, right? For the inside, actually, you can see that it's a whole side. In fact, we not only sealing the whole side, we also sealing the separate part. For the separate part, let's see the valve cap first. You can see the valve cap. There has a coating on this part, right? And also with the code letters. And this is the valve rod. For our valve rod, we have different lengths, we have different size. If you want other sizes, please just tell us, okay? And we can customize the control valve for you. Yes. Each item is before we see it, we will test it many times. Yeah. Actually, we have many model numbers, right? As you can see. If you are not sure about the model numbers, please send us the product code and we can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. For the product, I have a few tips for you. Yep. Clean it, use oil, and make sure the valve cap in the right position, the valve rod can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all. And actually, each week we have different videos and live show on Facebook and YouTube. If you like our stuffs, please focus at our channel and follow us. Except that we also sell injector, nozzle, repair kit, pumps, the parts for the pumps, including the control valve we are showing today. Yep. Any items, if you are interested, please contact us. Yeah, feel free to contact us. Follow us at our channel. Thank you. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.